Hey everybody, it's Lauren from the Joyful Johnsons. Welcome to today's video on a super simple tutorial of how to play Jingle Bells on your ukulele. Thank you guys for watching. This will be a super short and simple video. Make sure you subscribe if you love all things ukulele, tutorials specifically, and also our Costa Rica adventures. So today's Jingle Bells is only going to need 3 chords. This is a beginner version. And so if you're looking for something complicated and fancy, this is not for you. This is a very basic but beautiful chord pattern to help you play Jingle Bells on the ukulele while you sing. So 3 chords we're going to need on the ukulele are C major, F major, and G major. And that's it. With those 3 chords, you can play Jingle Bells. So the strumming pattern I like to do, if you want to practice along, we're going to start on C major, okay? And if you need a tutorial on how to play the C major, F major, and G major on ukulele, I'll drop the links for those in the comments below. I have a quick video series on how to play those chords if you need some extra help. So I like to do the strumming pattern on beats 1, 2, and 4. For the whole song, it's a simple pattern I use in a lot of songs that I sing along with, because it's not complicated, so you can play and sing at the same time. It's nice. So I go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're gonna pause your strum on beat 3 like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll do that same pattern for the whole time. So here's how I play Jingle Bells. I'll do it slowly first for you, so you can kind of get the gist of it, and then I'll play it up to tempo again at the end. So with that same strumming pattern, we go. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. And that's it. So again, this is a beginner version. You can actually change more chords in a more complicated version, but this is just a basic for beginners who've just learned. So now if you want to play along, we're going to use those 3 chords, C, F, and G. I'll put them up here on the screen for you so you can play along if you like. Here you go from the beginning, starting on C. 1, 2, ready, go. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this tutorial, make sure you drop a note below. And if you have another song request you'd like me to teach you, please drop that in the comments also. Make sure you subscribe. Would love to support you guys, and have a beautiful day.